so another day, another barrel mission. I'm thrilled. Right,
mate, you're pumped up, we're ready to go.
I'm ready to go. We had 4 hours of sleep last night because we waited for Noah and that to rock up. They've set it in the tinny as well. I actually feel like we're in the bigger boat today, looking at their boat, which is a bit of a relief for once. But yeah, plan is go do the same thing, see what happens. Hope it's another good day and hope we can get a bite or 2 or 3, hopefully 4. But plan today is to release fish. So, whoops, beaming. I just hope we're in coppers. But yeah, well, hopefully we get to see some epic stuff. Righto, bait collecting. Hummingbird is lit up. We got 2 red baits, a couple of yakkers. Zade's, yeah, still in them. Yep, he's on. So, you know, mixture of yakkers, slimies, and red baits, and God knows what else. And, well, they're all hopefully going to get eaten. Just a yakker. Who did that? Me, obviously. Oh, I hook up. Yeah. Yeah, ready to get in there. I know. Oh, I see the tuna go through that. Oh. Come on. Come on. Yeah, we're on. We're on. Come on. Yeah, no, good man. Straight down. Woo! Up in circle, look, fella. Yeah. No need to chase. No need to chase.
Right, you need to go on top.
Yeah, okay. Keep going that way. Whoa! Cheers, boys! Ah!
There's fish busting up. We need to start popping this fish.
Yeah, man. Okay. It's going straight towards you. Easy as that, mate. Yeah.
Righto, so probably about 10 o'clock or something, and stuff looked like it was trying to happen all morning, yeah? But it just didn't happen. Boats were kept it down, stuff was moving fast, might not woken up yet. So then finally, took a bit of a drive and come back in, found a nice work up, two blokes on it, one dude lost one, Zave dropped one because you can't push a circle hook.
I hate circles.
I found a yakker in. And they went through it, and I've gone, oh, I got a bite, and bang.
You actually did get a bite. Righto.
Now this sounds good, so we're going to work away at these fish. Fish are plenty, so let it go. We'll just see what happens.
So we've just cleaned up the boat, made it all so it's all nice and neat, ready for a bit of mayhem. Luke's going to work. He's put the gimbal on, he's got his gloves on, ready to go. We've got the tag pole ready, tags in.
And now you can do is go to work on them.
Yeah.
He's either going to come up.
Got the fish gripper thingies.
also had a mat thing, like a measurement thing that you clip on the line and you slide it down the
Where is it?
thing from inside. It's new, it's coming out. But it flew out of the back of the boat on the way here.
Did it?
So we don't have that anymore, Andy. I'm sorry. But we use his boat. I'm sure about that. Well, that was going to make it easier for the tagging and getting an estimate place. But you know, sometimes stuff just happens. Probably because of my unorganisedness. But it was in a spot where everything else was. You know, just had to pick that thing up and fly it away to do this. But, you know, whatever.
So what's happening at the moment? This fish is just going deep, and he's pretty much just towing us along, really.
He's getting tie himself out by towing up.
Yep, and then he'll slowly plant himself up. He'll start to hurt, so he'll just naturally come up. So yeah. Alright guys, so I've been on this fish for an hour now, and the weather has turned absolutely shocking. We're only in the tinny. It's blowing a good 15 to 20 I reckon, with some 3 metre swells in. Luckily we're pretty close to home, so hopefully we'll get him up and we can go in. Doesn't look as rough as it does. What do you reckon, Luke? Keep going, mate. Pipe him up, big boy. So look, everyone's surprised by the tackle we're using, but it's capable as, isn't it?
Stop using overhead gear and bloody straight to the bottom of these things. The amount of drag I'm able to put on this fish.
Easy got 13 kilos of drag on it right now.
Plus whatever you're pulling with the boat.
Yeah.
You trust your knots. If you like to trust your knots, I don't know what you're doing, Andy.
Yeah. So swapped over probably for what, hour and a bit? Hour and 20 odd. Sort of just want to get the fish in. I don't really care at all.
Too rough out here.
Too rough. Want to get in, get out of here. Go to off food. So Zay's going to town on it now. Get him up. See what happens after that will happen, but it's pretty rough. It looks so much better on camera, I tell you, but you know. It's coming up. Got the lip grips ready to go. 22 metres of water. And Zay's now going bananas on this thing. Hopefully get a look at him. Get him up. Yeah. Jesus Christ. I don't know. Look at all these boats hooked up. Fucking. They're really shit cut. He's still on it! Oh! He missed it! Wally! Yeah, got him on! Got him on! Yes, boys! Yes! Go into the... Woo! There you might! Boys, wait. Nah, I think he come off. Come on. Oh! Oh, you got it. Oh,
going to get another shot. So, yeah, we're just lucky he's blowing a gale out here.
It is rough.
It is rough.
Go, just cast at those seals.